I'm sure you've heard about VP Sara and her announcement. Yeah, you did post
Running
something on
for
social media
president.
kanina. Any idea kung bakit ganito yung timing ni VP Sara for her announcement?
Well, okay, I will be very clear. I have not had the occasion to talk to VP Sara, no, since the announcement. But I'm sure this has to do with the impeachment. Magkakalinawan na tayo kung sino talaga ang pwedeng pagkatiwalaan ni VP Sara. We all know na walang kahit sino, if elections were to be held today, that can defeat Inday Sara in an honest-to-goodness elections, no? So I think the decision to declare her candidacy now is to give notice to members of Congress and the Senate that she will be a contender for the 2028 elections and that they better watch out, no? Because kung as usual, sila ay boboto because binili ang kanilang mga boto, think again because this woman will almost certainly become president if honest elections are to be held.
So, I understand what you're saying na kung binili ang boto, this is a reminder to you. But at the same time, the other side of the coin seems to sound like, watch out, kasi kung manalo ito, patay kayong lahat.
Oo, it's
Babawian
payback
kayo.
time.
That's also how it sounds.
Well, there's nothing wrong with that because that's politics. We all know na may mga malalakas na kandidato, may mga mahihinang kandidato, at kung sila ay magpapabili ng kanilang mga boto, think again because the politician's concern is always staying in office, and when you're enemy of the soon-to-be president, that's not good politics.